What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the bench. Today, I actually wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing. So, real quick, I've been seeing a lot of these on Amazon. I think this is an Amazon brand. And I think that maybe they're made by Academy, but I'm not sure. I really just quickly looked into it. I just had a little bit of credits, and this was on sale for $10, so I thought, hey, let's see what it looks like. I know everybody's going to flame me about not buying from my local hobby store, but believe me, 95% of everything I have is from a hobby store, like the local hobby store. Or, stuff like Sprue Brothers. So I really do, buy most of my stuff. But I had credits in my Amazon wallet, and I thought, you know what? Might as well. For $10, what do you get? And it seems pretty decent from what I've looked at. It even lists all your different kind of paints. I'm kind of surprised Tamiya paint isn't on there. Or like Ammo MIG paint isn't on there because those seem pretty popular, but hey. So this is a 172 scale. Let me just pop this open real quick. Get my knife, sorry guys. Wow. Okay, clears look pretty good. I'm gonna leave that in there. This is the bubble top canopy style. The first thing I usually like to look at is the fuselage, because usually that's where a lot of your work is going to be done. If the halves don't meet together, and especially the tops. But it looks like a nice crisp flat there. And actually, on the inside, you can see it's got some nice details molded, so that's pretty sweet. Then the other parts I like to look at next is how the wings go together, which actually, it looks like only this side will be is set into itself, so you really only have to worry about this front edge. And that actually looks pretty solid. You don't see a lot of those like little circles from the molds. Looks like the bomb comes in half. Pretty detailed as far as what I see. The engine's pretty small. And then, whoa, looks like it even gave you two choices for the propeller there. I'm not 100% sure what the difference is. Yeah, not a lot of flash, it looks like. Not a lot of mold lines. This is kind of, I guess, more late in the war. So you've got, like, rocket tubes and stuff. Looking pretty solid. As far as the plastic goes, it feels good. Decals, actually. Try not to touch these. Wow. Look pretty thin. Not super thick like the Tamiya ones that are almost seem waterproof. Those look really promising. And then let's see how good the instructions are. Let's see if they make sense. So it looks like it lists out all your stuff here. Yep, Battle of the Bulge. So, I mean, yeah, looks pretty, oh, nice. It's also got the paint index in here, so you don't have to keep looking at the box. Because it's got their legend right there. Okay, yeah. Pretty detailed. Guess it's more of a brochure style. Pretty obvious. You know, compared to some that I've seen. It doesn't look like there's a ton of parts. Got your decal and paint schemes on this side. Not sure when I'll get to this one. After the Wildcat, I may step away from World War II for a model. But yeah, that looks pretty solid, guys. Especially these decals. I like when they're kind of thinner. I mean, it's more prone to being able to get damaged. But they sink in really nice, and this plastic feels really good, guys. So all in all, this seems pretty solid. Let's see if I can get this back in the plastic here. I am curious to see. I do like little 172 kits for more of a quick build, and yeah, no. You know how you get kind of like the plastic that looks a little see-through, where it really got thin at the end. I don't see a lot of that. It may be harder to see on camera, but that looks really good. It did ship in a box, so it was you know, pretty clean box there. I kind of like this look more, but you know, we'll see. I may also do more of a D-Day style with the invasion lines and the olive drab. But we'll see. We'll see what I can do with these decals and stuff. Yeah, guys, this looks pretty good. If anybody's ever tried any of these before, let me know. But until then, we'll see you in the next video. I would show you the Wildcat progress, but I've got some weathering effects that are enamels drying on the fuselage right now. But I did get the prop kind of taped and paint's drying there as well. But yeah, guys, hope y'all had a good weekend. Here's to Monday. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.